It was late in the afternoon. I was tired, hungry, and had absolutely no desire to cook anything complicated. But I didn't want to order food either. I just wanted something warm, light, and comforting. That's when I remembered it. My good old trusty couscous. It takes just 15 minutes and always turns out perfect. Let's get to the ingredients. 1 cup of low-sodium broth or water is what gives the dish its light, aromatic base. A generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Here I used Greek Private Reserve, known for its rich flavor. A pinch of kosher salt, which enhances the flavors without overpowering them. 1 cup of dry instant couscous, perfect for those who want convenience without sacrificing ideal texture. A pinch of cumin, or any other spice of your choice. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped and slowly sautéed in olive oil until they release all their aroma. 2 fresh scallions, finely chopped to add freshness and color to the dish. And finally, fresh herbs to taste, like parsley and dill, which finish the dish with lightness and a vibrant green touch. Now let's move on to the preparation method. I grabbed 1 cup of light broth. It could have been just water, but the broth adds that extra flavor, you know? Also, set aside 1 cup of instant couscous, the kind that cooks quickly and stays nice and fluffy. A good extra virgin olive oil is essential. I used Greek, which has a more pronounced aroma. I added a pinch of salt, just enough to enhance the flavor of the broth. I took a pinch of cumin just to warm up the flavor, but you can use whichever spice you prefer. I chopped 2 cloves of garlic and set them aside, ready to sauté. I chopped 2 green scallions, which add freshness and a nice mild kick. And finally, some fresh herbs. I chose parsley and dill, but you can use whatever you have. Mint, cilantro, basil. If you enjoyed this Mediterranean recipe and want more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.